This video demonstrates how to install the BLE gateway and connect it to the server PC for the first time. First, connect the BLE gateway's LAN cable to the same hub as the server PC. When connected properly, the power lamp turns red and the LAN lamp turns green. Run the ARGOS Monitoring System setup file. Select your preferred language from the 7 supported languages. Install the desktop icon and start the software installation. After installation is complete, click the Finish button. Click the desktop icon to launch the software. Once the software is running, check the server PC's IP address in the Settings menu. Enter the IP range of the server PC into the BLE Network Manager. Run Find Gateway to identify the BLE Gateway IP address. Enter the BLE Gateway IP into the web browser and log in using your ID and password. In the admin page, enter the ARGOS server IP. Then, set the port number to 8888, which is the default configuration. Restart the BLE Gateway. Then run AMS to verify the connection to the BLE Gateway.